crew van package, trailer towing package, second row vinyl bench seat, and frame-mounted hitch receiver. This 2016-250 is for Ford nuts who are hunting for a van with outstanding cargo hauling ability. J.D. Power named the 2016-250 as the highest-ranked and overall initial quality design in its class. Full of innovative storage solutions that make life easier, you're set to load practically anything that comes your way. For this 2006 Ford E250, check out our online purchase process at www.larsonmotors.com.